Hi everyone, I'm Long Fei. I'm a creative director in Genesis Motion Design. I graduated from 2011 studying motion graphic and broadcast design. Firstly, I want to congratulate all the graduates from this year. I wish them like brighter future. So for me, Fusion was a very big thing for us, as this is the last very big project to us, and it is also a platform for us to be exposed to the industry. So I think Fusion going online is really a good opportunity for all the students to get exposed internationally. And it is also for us as a company, as an employer, it's also a good chance to look at their portfolio online. So for overseas companies, it will be so easier for them to access online platform, looking through their portfolio and see what is possible for them to hire freelancers or designers from SIDM. So I think Fusion going online is beneficial for companies as well as the graduates from Fusion. See you at Fusion!